Hey folks, we're here today with the Lamborghini Urus. Of course, you would have heard of this, Lamborghini's new SUV, the world's fastest SUV. 478 kilowatts of power and 850 newton meters of torque. Now that's all well and good from a twin turbo V8, but what does it sound like? Well, let's have a listen. First of all, the interior is very different to a Huracan or an Aventador. You do actually have seating in the rear. This has got the 4-seat option. It's pretty cool. That's how I would get it, that's for sure. So to turn it on, that little button there, so let's do that. And you got this little selector here, so you can go down in the mode. So we're in Street, Sport, Corsa, and in the other modes that you'll never probably use. So let's put it in Corsa and let's see what it sounds like.